Hi guys, Lyndon here. I've just got back from an epic day training on my 300. It's Thursday evening, I got out of the shower and I thought I must go into the workshop and give my fans and followers an update on how it's going with your chance to win this very Lyndon Poskett Racing 732cc factory rally adventure bike, custom built, just like the bike that I rode around the world, the same spec but a different colour, worth approximately £50,000, and this is your chance to win it by entering the Lyndon Poskett Racing competition. So I'm here today to add a bumper prize and also give you an update to the competition. First about the prize, a little bit about prize, I'll tell you the details later. There's no surprise that today's additional prize to the competition comes from Motorex Powersports. I've been working with Motorex for years. They sponsored me for racing. I've been partnering with them for years. We've done lots of cool projects together. I'm now an ambassador for them. I love their product. You've seen my bikes and we want to share a bit of that with you. So some lucky person, the competition is going to win a bumper prize from Motorex Powersports. I'm going to tell you all about it. But first, I want to tell you how the competition's going. So how's it going? Well, whenever you do something like this, of course, I had an idea in my mind how I wanted it to go. And that's all I can gauge it against. So we're a month in to a 3-month window for selling tickets to win this bike and a load of other prizes. But we're a month in with 2 months left to go, and we're about halfway of where I thought I would like to get to. So not too bad. We've got 2 months left to go before the draw at the Adventure Bike Rider Festival in the UK in the end of June. I'm going to be there and do the draw live, but first I want to share with you a cool image, and that is this picture of the world, because all the countries that you see on the screen now, coloured in green, are countries that somebody has bought a ticket for this competition from. So it's really cool to see that over 65 countries have already got involved in this competition, which is awesome. When I travelled around the world, I travelled all around the world, many different places, and you need to know how many countries that I travelled in order to enter the competition. All the information you will find it on the website. Look in the description below for the links on how to enter, and info on all the prizes and everything is on my website in those links. Read all about it, get your ticket there. So yeah, it's going well. But wouldn't it be nice to fill that map with a little bit more green? Because I know people in a lot more countries than 65, so there's a few people yet that have not got their tickets. So it's kind of a reminder for you guys to get your tickets and also an update at the same time. So thank you very much for everyone that's got involved so far. We're already raising money for charity, which is absolutely amazing. And in coming videos, I'm going to share with you where that money is going to go. I'm going to distribute it to different charities, but I need to really think about where the money is going to go, what things are close to my heart, and close to the motorcycling community. So I'm going to do a number of different things with that, the funds that I get for charity. But let's get on to the prize that's been added to the competition today, because it's from Motorex Powersports, and it's going to be a bunch of product to help you service, maintain, and take care of your bike. So depending what bike you've got, maybe you need some 2-stroke, 4-stroke oil, some an air filter maintenance kit, silicone spray, Motorshine MS1 to keep it shining. That is really cool stuff. Maybe you need some chain cleaner and some chain lube, some helmet protection, some helmet care to keep your helmet smelling nice. And who knows, maybe one of these. Polysport folding Motorex pit stand. These are really cool. We use them in the rally school, very useful. But not only the product for your bike, but also some cool merchandise. They're going to send you, the winner of this package, some merchandise, maybe t-shirt, jacket, caps, pens, stuff like that. It's going to be a bumper prize. Now, I can't specifically say what exactly is going to be in that package because it depends on where you are in the world, what the distributor has available in your country to be able to supply to you. So, but it will be a bumper package for your motorcycle in your country delivered to you with a bunch of merchandise as well, which is awesome. It's a high value prize and I can't wait to see who wins that and who gets this bumper package from Motorex Powersports. So that's the new prize that's been added today. That's an update on the competition. I'll be back next week with more information of how it's going with a new prize. Let's see who it is next week. Thank you very much, everyone. I'll be back soon. Cheers.